Are you tired of earning money on TikTok but not knowing how to withdraw it? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from TikTok. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly open your TikTok app. Select balance. If you notice the minimum withdrawal amount is $100, then you can use the withdraw button to cash out as soon as you reach the requirement. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.